Rio Tinto Minerals supplies 25% of the world's demand for talc. We are the largest talc producers in North America, with operations stretching from Canada to Mexico. Our largest mine is located near the Yellowstone National Park in Montana. Talc is an extremely versatile product. Different customers require different grades depending on the application. One of the most important qualities is the final brightness and color.
Color is really valuable to our end customer because it helps them with reducing their costs by having a consistent product. And another key property for the talc is the fineness of the product. Many people are familiar with the baby powder, which a lot of people think is a very fine product, but for the talc industry it's one of our coarser products, so the fineness of the grind combined with the color are two key attributes of the talc.
After the ore has been mined, it's sorted into piles, and each pile is then separately fed into conveyors, which reject any oversized rocks. The remaining material is then fed into a mechanical sorter, where it is further divided according to size. In response to customers' orders, the raw material is delivered to the mills for grinding and packaging into the final product.
The purity of the ore at the Yellowstone mine is second to none. Our product comes out of the ground almost 100% pure. The process at the mine do not use any chemicals of any sort. We use a little bit of water. When it goes to the mills, their big concern is to make sure that you don't mix a darker crude with a lighter crude, but the talc purity really doesn't change.
To make our products more economical to store and transport, we compact the powder into a denser package. However, this process requires significant quantities of water.
We use the water to help densify the product, and then we have to evaporate a significant portion of that water back out. It works, obviously, but there's a better way to do it, and that's what we're developing here.
We've now developed a new process known as dry compacting, and this new process is currently being tested.
Dry compaction lets us burn less natural gas, use less water. The energy efficiency is much higher in this new process that we're developing here.
Another initiative to improve efficiency is the introduction of robotics.
Robotics is the latest, most reliable way of automating. We're just using this state-of-the-art, and that's robotics. It's a neat machine because it's reliable. It's got very few maintenance needs, and it's the coming wave. And we have many robots installed in our different facilities.
As part of the greater Yellowstone ecosystem, the park is one of the largest and most protected wilderness environments in the United States. The company has entered into partnership with Montana's famous Museum of the Rockies, which contains the country's largest collection of dinosaur remains.
What we're doing is we're using dinosaurs as a kid's gateway to science. Dinosaurs are what turns kids on to science, so that's why we do it. We do the history of Montana, wonderful fresh perspectives on the history of the American West, and someday we will do what's so unique about Yellowstone and this incredible ecosystem we live at the edge of.
We have quite a natural partnership. We're both interested in capacity building in our communities, and our partnership with the museum is one of the aspects of our capacity building here in Montana.
Another community initiative sponsored by the mine is the American Legion Baseball Program. The program provides facilities where youngsters can learn the game and fundraising activities to enable them to travel and showcase their talents.
They are all basically high school kids, and in Montana we don't have high school baseball, so it's really the only opportunity that they have to play and have a chance to maybe go on and play at the college or pro level.
As a result of the baseball program, several scholarships have already been awarded, offering the possibility of successful professional careers. At our Yellowstone mine, we will continue to produce fine quality talc whilst retaining our community ties and operating responsibly in a natural environment that's irreplaceable and unique.